Diba? So, ayun ang nakakatuwa kasi ngayon, after Miss You, what's next for you?
Oh, I'm planning a lot of things, to be honest, but I might go into acting.
Wow!
Yes, I know it's crazy.
Okay, so when did you realize na acting pala yung gusto mo?
Kasi Miss O, it started during high school.
Oh.
I do declamation. But yung twist, I can't afford to pay a trainer. So what I do, I write my own script.
Wow!
And I act it out.
Okay.
So it's like one of my talents. So
Yes.
ngayon, there's opportunity with acting. So I might try.
Wow! Okay, speaking of show business, ano yung gusto mong pasukin? Will it be comedy? Will it be like act? Ano yung parang heavy drama ba? O gusto mo yung parang mga patwitams na may mga celebrity crush? What's your take on that?
I might go into horror.
What? Di nga! Di nga! Okay.
No, it's challenging kasi.
Okay.
It's very difficult to scare people.
Okay.
So I'm up for that kind of challenge.
Wow, interesting ha. Hindi ko yun ina-expect na sasabihin niya yun. But then, okay. So, sino gusto mo makatrabaho sa TV?
Well, marami. Maricel Soriano.
Oh.
Yung mga nasa haligi na talaga ng pelikulang Pilipino. Sino
Yes.
pa ba? Ding Dong Dantes.
Wow,
Mga
interesting.
magaling Ate V. Di ba? Kung mangangarap na lang din ako, tinaasan ko na.
I agree. Okay, sa mga nanonood sa atin right now, doing live, kindly click the share button para makita ng lahat ng family members, mga Pilipino na gusto mapanood si Rabia ngayon. Kindly share because marami tayong mga katanungan na ibibigay sa kanya ngayon na I'm sure marami sa iyo magiging interesado. Speaking of celebrity na mga gusto mong makasama, sino bang celebrity crush mo?
Miss O, ito nakakatawa talaga.
Sige, sige.
I know nothing about basketball. Pero nanood talaga ako ng UAAP para na makita siya.
No
Kubi
way.
Paras.
Kubi Paras! Really? Wow!
Kahit hindi ko na maintindihan yung nangyayari, hinahanap ko sa si number 6.
Talaga? That's
Yes.
nice. So, Kubi Paras ha, ikaw pala yung pinapanood. So, okay, another thing, marami ang nagtatanong na after the Miss Universe, what was the life lessons?
Life lesson, follow your own voice.
Oh,
Listen to that voice inside you.
okay.
Make the decision in which you are most comfortable with. Siguro yun. Kasi at the end of the day, you may wear the Philippine sash, but it's you who's gonna represent the country.
That's
It's all
right.
about you, not the voices around you.
That's right. Wow, very well said. Actually, alam mo, nung pinapanood kita sa stage sa Miss Universe, I was so proud of you. Lahat ng mga ginawa mo talagang napakaganda at saka proud na proud kami. Kasama natin lahat ng mga friends ko na nandito. Imagine, nag-fly pa, nag-fly papunta sa para mapanood ka, di ba? So another thing is, okay, what would you want your fans to know about yung mga about you, ano yung mga plans mo? Super dami mong meet and greet
Yes.
na naka-line up sa America. I'm so happy because lahat ng mga fans, you know, gusto nila mag-fly kasi iba-ibang state para makita ka. What can you say about that?
You know what, parang nakakataba ng puso, Miss O. Can you imagine, I didn't even like make it to the top 10, not
Oo,
even on the top 5.
yes.
Pero gusto ko pa rin makita ng mga Pilipino, proud na proud pa rin sila sa'yo. And sabi ko, gusto ko din sila makita para personally, I can say thank you. I can show also how much grateful I am for all the support. I heard kanina marami nagsasabi, binoto ka namin sa Lazada, things like that, you know. Para sa akin, it means a lot eh. Yun kasi yung nagmo-motivate sa akin. Na kahit after Miss Universe, marami pa rin gusto kang makita, marami pa rin gustong marinig yung story.
Exactly. Oo, at saka ang daming naka-line up. Nag-usap kami ni Mama, kahit super daming tumatawag sa kanya, at saka sa amin, at saka sa manager mo na we want to see Rabia here in New Jersey, we want to see Rabia in New York, in Virginia Beach. So nakakatawa ang mga Filipinos, di ba? Sabi ko nga na nahuli mo kasi ang puso namin Pilipino. At saka ito pa, dear. Super dami, guys, ang mga teenager at kabataan that are looking up to you, saying, Miss Rabia, you know, taught us how to do this, what is your what's your message to all the teenagers who are watching, who wants to be like you?
You know what? First of all, you need to focus with your studies. You know, do good and be the professional that you can be. Because by doing that, you will be able to help a lot of people. And then always follow your dreams. Every dream is valid. Every aspiration that you want to achieve in life is achievable. Take it from me. I come from nothing, Miss O. And to be Miss Universe Philippines, a lot of people told me that that was an impossible dream. But
Yes.
I kept fighting. I did my everything. I put my heart, my soul into the things that I'm very passionate about. And no, look, I'm
So,
here.
very nakakatuwa.
You need to be the writer of your own story. Do things in your own way.
Yes.
Always remember that.
Ang galing. So sa mga teenager at sa mga kabataan na nanonood ngayon, super dami nagme-message sa akin, Miss O, can you tell Miss Rabia na she is an inspiration to me? Nag-aaral ako na mabuti dahil sa kanya. Alam mo yung impact na binibigay mo sa mga tao at saka sa manonood at saka sa mga fans ay beyond sa scope na ginagawa mo. So nakakatuwa na how you inspire other people. So about the Miss Universe pageant, like ano pa yung mga gusto mong sabihin din? Another thing about, meron tayong question dito sa ating follower na super close daw kayo ni Miss Tyla. Nag-holding hands daw kayo going
Yes.
out. Like, can you tell us about that?
Maybe because kami yung dalawang candidate na na-pressure talaga.
Okay.
Coming from pageant-loving countries.
Right.
And alam ko din kung how hard it is to please everybody around you, to please the fans. That's why, to be honest, nung hindi ako natawag sa top 21,
Yeah.
I was rooting for her and Miss India.
That's
I was
nice.
rooting for them.
Okay.
And then, nung hindi din siya natawag sa top 10,
Yeah.
sa top 5,
Yeah.
ramdam mo din kasi, yung bigat. And when I saw her, I just hugged her. And we hugged each other. You saw the video, guys. Amanda, she's a sweetheart.
I know.
She's a sweetheart.
I can
And
tell.
she deserves all the love, all the attention, because she's a genuine person.
I agree. I love Amanda. Like, after the pageant, we were also on the lobby and then she was hugging me from the back na, Miss O, it's done, it's finished. Super sweet. It's very similar kayo at saka yung personality ni Miss Rabia, guys. Alam mo, lagi ko to sinasabi sa'yo. Super bait si Rabia from the inside out. What you see is what you get. She's very transparent. So I'm very proud of you. I know, guys, marami pang magandang plano ang Lord para sa'yo, Rabia.
Amen.
You have so much ahead of you, and then this is just the beginning, So we are very excited for you. Okay, last question: will you train the next candidate for the Miss Universe? Are you open to do that?
Train, siguro, I'm gonna give them advices
Okay.
on how to prepare.
Okay.
Because it's different when you've been in that position
Correct.
compared to the end in which you're just listening.
Right.
You're just preparing for the Miss Universe. And I'm open. I'm an educator.
Correct, that's true.
I am willing to share
Yes.
everything that I've learned through Mama J, through all of my mentors. Sabi ko nga, bakit ko itatago? That's
Yes.
such a selfish act. Kung kaya kong may matulungan na tao, especially for those ladies who have no background with pageantry, I'm gonna do that.
Oh, that's nice. So, speaking of that, sabi mo you want to share your experience to the new candidate, new representative ng country natin. If you have one, advice that you can give her, what is that?
What is that? That would definitely be know why you're there. First of all, know
Okay.
your purpose. Because for most of the candidates, the goal is to win the crown.
Okay.
It's always the crown. The
Okay.
crown.
Okay.
But even though you don't have the crown on top of your head, you can do so much.
galing.
You can transform a lot of lives. So it's, yes, we want the crown to be back in the country, but also use that reign to be a good person, to inspire a lot of people. That is the real essence of beauty pageants.
I love it. Super ganda. And you being an influencer, sobrang, yung followers mo from 10,000 all the way to 1.6 million, is that correct?
1.7 na tayo.
1.7 na, imagine. Imagine yung influence mo from 10,000 people all the way to 1.7 million. Sobrang lawak ng naaabot mo. So, with that being said, I want to say thank you to all the viewers who are, super
guys.
nag-watch sa atin all the way sa ating Miss Universe journey. And then, any last words to your fans right now as
To all of my fans, I know you guys are asking kung kailan ba talaga ako babalik ng Philippines. I might stay here up until July because we have a lot of work to do.
Yes.
But I really wanna go back also to Iloilo. This is also my opportunity to say thank you to all of the Ilonggos who prayed for me, who cheered for me. And I heard I'm gonna have another homecoming. Kahit hindi tayo nanalo, feeling ko ako ako pa rin yung Miss Universe ng Pilipinas.
Sinabi mo, I'm sure maraming fans sa Pilipinas and also all over the world who wants to know more about you. But then, we just want to have this opportunity to thank our beautiful dresses. Okay, thank you to the Oliver Tolentino. Sige, tatayo na rin ako. Hand-painted. Si Rabia is also wearing an Oliver Tolentino gown. So, kami dalawa may journey sa Miss Universe for 7 days. From day 1 to day 7. Every day may OOTD kahit naka-temperature check. Bababa ako naka-uwi. Nakakatawa kasi meron kami isang day na Saturday yun eh. Free na tayo, wala na tayong gagawin. Nagpapa-makeup ako for 2 hours. Lahat ng friends ko nakahiga, nakapampahay. Tapos pagtapos ko mag-makeup, sabi, Miss, saan ka pupunta? Magpapa-temperature check. Bakit? Kasi naka-full OOTD, di ba? So we wanna thank the Oliver Tolentino. Guys, check him out. He's in Beverly Hills. I wanna thank all of the beautiful dresses.
Yes.
Oliver Tolentino. He also sponsored all of my dresses for all of my meet and greet events and at the same time for all of my interviews. He's such a kind person. Maraming salamat, sir, and see you soon.
Yes, alam mo, ang ganda kay Oliver Tolentino, sumusuporta sa lahat ng mga beauty pageants na beauty queens na pumupunta dito. Kahit nga ako, hindi beauty queen, sumusuporta yan sa akin. But then, beauty queen ba? Thank you. Thank you guys for watching. But wait, there's more. Meron tayong isa pang guest ngayon na gusto natin na makapagkamustahan naman. So excited ka ba?
Yes, excited.
Alright, so let's bring her out, Miss MJ Lassie. Ganyan kasaya dito, guys, kasi nandito lahat ng mga supporters. Pakita naman natin who's here. Okay, MJ, tanungin naman natin. Siya naman na nasa hot seat niya. MJ, nag-fly ka talaga. Okay, nag-fly ka dito all the way from San Francisco.
Yes naman, for the Miss O. Tapos darating ako dito, naka-pink dress ka. Hindi ako informed.
Hindi ka informed. Sa lagay lang yan, hindi ba
Oo.
informed?
Sana Miss O tinodo ko.
But thank you so much. Alam ko nag-fly ka. And then bukas meron tayong something pa na gagawin. Punta kami ng Universal Studios tomorrow. So, we will have fun. Sasakay kami ng, alam mo yung, ano ba yun, yung train, yung 45-minute train na may King Kong ride. Alam mo yun, hindi mo pa na, oh sige.
Studio tour. Studio tour. Studio tour. Studio tour.
Studio tour. So, tomorrow gagawin natin.
Akala ko naman may meet and greet ka.
Ayun. So, ayun.
Saan pa kayo pupunta?
Saan kami pupunta kayo?
After
okay,
ng-
ngayon gabi, kakain lang kami sa labas by the mountains. So, birthday ni Jonas Gafod. So, sabi niya, mag-treat daw siya sa atin. So, join na tayo.
Oo
diba?
naman, pagkainan nandiyan ka.
Tapos ang maganda, it's up in the mountains. Super ganda ng restaurant. Hindi ko na muna sasabihin ko saan tomorrow na baka biglang nayuhi kayo.
Tapos bukas,
tomorrow, Universal Studios tayo tomorrow. And then, sa gabi, pupunta tayo ng Lakers. Mag-watch kami ng basketball. Super saya.
Para kanina yung pa-sponsor ng ating ano?
Si Jay Pamintuan. Nako, si Jay Pamintuan, binigyan tayo ng ng season tickets. Diba? Super excited tayo dyan. Okay, MJ, sa mga fans natin na pinanood tayo ng madaling araw,
Oo nga,
remember?
teka lang nga, ang daming camera, saan ba ako
Dito.
Eto, okay. Kasi sa studio kasi Miss O, isa lang yung camera. Hindi ko naman
Ay,
nakalain.
okay.
Pang ano pala to. Okay, hello everyone. So, ano ba yung natin? Maraming salamat po for watching. So, kanina, na-experience ko ni Miss O. Ginest ko po siya sa show ko, which is actually every Wednesday, 8 p.m. sa Philippines, na 5 a.m. dito at napakabay talaga ni Miss O. Gumising ng 3:30, parang ganito ka pa. Ganito kapak po yung makeup niya. Ng 4:30 a.m. nag-guest sa akin.
Imagine, no?
Very, ang masasabi ko about Miss O, very warm and talagang mararamdaman mo yung you're not hard to reach. I mean, you've been a very successful, inspirational woman. And I've been saying na you're empowering a lot of women, not just your employees, not just all the Miss Philippines who has been competing here. But I am sure that now that you're using your platform, you've been reaching a lot more women, not just in the Philippines, but of course across the world na ngayon.
Salamat.
So with that, we salute you,
Oh,
Miss O.
oo naman.
Bakit si Miss O sa balot?
Parang
Idagdag si
boto
Miss
mayor, eh.
Idagdag si Miss O sa balot. Hindi. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo na napaka-supportive nyo at hindi nyo pinagkakait yung lahat ng blessings na meron kayo.
Oh,
And
salamat.
I can only wish and hope na mas marami pa kayong matutulungan, mai-inspire at maaabot sa lahat ng
Thank you so
experience sa life
much.
nyo.
Thank you. I love you guys.
We love you.
Oh, alam mo pa, sinabi ni MJ, nag-message, sabi, Miss O, pwede ba kita interviewin ng 8 p.m. sa Philippines? So,
Yes.
sabi ko, kinumpute ko, anong oras sa Amerika? 4:30 a.m. Sabi magigising ako ng Twitter. Sige, para kay MJ Lasimosa.
sabi ni Mama Hides, hindi nagigising si Miss O ng umaga.
Alam na lahat ng friends ko yan, pang 10 o'clock a.m. ako nagigising. Okay. So, kailangan sa skin, di ba? Enough sleep.
Ay, ganun
Oo.
pala.
Yeah. So, ngayon,
Kaya pala kulang ako.
so ngayon, 4:30 ako nagising. Pero, imagine yung 4:30.
Pero
Sabi ko,
fresh.
MJ, sandali lang,
Ang
pelikula
fresh
ako,
mo
di
dun
pa
sa-
nakakabit. Oo, tapos alam mo, imagine, 150,000 na nanood.
Yes,
Diba?
iba si Miss
Grabe.
O. Hindi, hatak yun ni Miss O talaga.
Hindi nga, grabe.
Iba talaga si Miss O pang Miss Universe.
Well, thank you so much. Okay, sa mga nanonood, but wait, there's more. Meron pa pala tayong bubunutin na 5 winners for the Miss Universe kit. Stay tuned dahil si Miss Rabia and Miss MJ ang nanonood ng
Hindi.
5
Ako yung magbubulsa.
ng 5 Miss Universe kits. So, these are the kits na pinamigay natin sa 74 delegates all over the world. So, ito ang matatanggap ninyo sa mga viewers. So, I'm excited. Sino kayo mananalo? Tingnan na natin. Okay,
Yes,
example tayo.
let's do it.
Okay, hi to all the IG followers nandito. Okay, so let's pick 5 winners. Let's pick, pili ka na.
Ay, sosyal.
Wait, sosyal. May tambiola na ka-ready, di
Sa
ba?
kabilang side.
Meron tayo. Pili ka ng 3 and pili ka ng 3. So, magbibigay tayo ng 6 Miss Universe kit. Okay.
Laban. Everybody, laban. Bawi.
Ano ba yun?
Laban. Bawi.
Ayan, so si MJ will pick 3 winners, si Rabia then will pick 3 winners.
Tuwan-tuwa ka.
Ayan. So sa lahat ng aking VIP, ayan, sa VIP group, lahat sila nagpo-post
Lang
na.
po ba to?
Yes, ang dami, di ba?
Napakaswerte naman. Lahat kayo na magpa-VIP group.
So sa mga hindi pa nakaka-join ng VIP group, search on Facebook, O-Skin VIP Exclusive, and then post your picture, and then you will have 1 entry per post. So, yan. Pili tayo ng 3. 3 na sa'yo.
Yes.
Okay. So, kay MJ, antay din tayo ng 3 winners. So, I'm excited. Sino kayong lucky
Pinakabahan
winners? Okay. Sige. Okay.
May baon
Sila
din.
magbabasa ng winners.
May
diba?
baon pa.
Yung pangalan mo basa lahat.
Okay, let's start with MJ. Ano yung sinasabi mo kailangan nila isigaw?
Laban.
Yun ba yun, ha?
Na-train po ako dun.
Let's get. Okay, sino una nagbabasa?
Ikaw.
Okay, so we have the first winner is
Yay!
Okay,
Marikit Ketty Reyes Retuta.
Wow! Congratulations, Marikit! Ketty Reyes Retuta, congratulations! Ayan, super beautiful nito si Marikit. Okay, next one, MJ.
Eto, ikakaganda mo na talaga to. Si Mac Domingo. Congratulations.
Mac Domingo, congratulations! You just won the Miss Universe kit.
Congratulations.
Okay, next Kaninong buhay kaya ang magbabago?
Yung future mo na dito lang.
Our third winner is no other than Joy Ayuyon.
Wow! Joy! Congratulations, Joy! Ayun! Yay! Naka, super dami ni Joy kasi mag-post kaya ang dami niyang entry. Okay, next winner. Oh, ayan. Okay, anong spiel mo muna dito? Okay.
Napakaswerte nito. Syempre, ako bumunot. So,
Ah,
makakawa siya sa swerte.
okay.
Si Rachel Miguel Bautista.
Wow! Rachel Miguel Bautista. Congratulations! Rachel Miguel Bautista. You just won a Miss Universe set. Okay. Okay, next.
Yung last kong nabunot,
Na magbabago
Feeling
ang
ko
ano.
Chinese siya.
Chinese siya. Na magbabago din ang buhay.
nagbabago pa rin yung buhay.
Siya yung panlalaban.
Mag-receive ka ng 1 million from Miss
Nakasubo.
Kaya yan ni Miss O. Okay, congratulations kay Pam So.
Wow! Pam! Grabe! Congratulations, Pam! Congratulations. Grabe si Pam. Alam mo ba, 3 beses na ito nananalo ng aking prize. So, congratulations!
Chinese may dalang ano yan.
Ha?
May dalang, oo, laging may dalang ganun.
Yung pusang gumagano.
Joke lang po yun.
Okay, so
Okay,
yan.
bash tayo.
Okay, the last winner for today.
Okay, eto. Nakausap kasi ako na Rabia, hindi dinidistract ako. Eto. Ang last na to, di ba?
Last na yan, last na.
Okay, ikaw ang pinakamaswerte dahil ikaw ang last but not the least nga, ika nga nila. Alu Dela Monte.
Wow! Congratulations sa Alu! Congratulations! Thank you so much! Thank you so much for watching!
Okay,
Thank
woo!
you so much guys for watching!
Say hello to my Instagram.
Hello!
Ending closing.
Ayan ang aking mga friends and clients who are here supporting
Ang saya-saya!
Hello, dear! With my So we have 1.3 million people watching. Hi, Katie. Hello, Tony. Hi, beautiful. Reza.
Naghintay ako for the very end, girl. Ngayon na, kasi mag-off na rin ako.
Ayan, si Sel. Ay,
Trina, Trina!
Thank you for watching. Guys, super
Oh my God!
Chuso.
Hindi yan pwede delete kasi live.
Ayan. Thank you so much for everyone who... Ang saya-saya. May Chong Gonzales, ang saya namin dito, diba?
Hello.
Thank you for watching. Ay, si Katrina.